Now, you might be wondering, why do we think electric vehicles? Well, we're looking at battery technology here, but more importantly, drivetrain technology, which includes batteries. If you look at the cost curves for drivetrains, you'll notice that the cost of production and sales decreases by about 28 for every doubling in the number of electric vehicles sold. And it appears that owning an electric car now comes with fewer total expenses than driving a gas-powered car. Get ready for an exciting voyage into the realm of innovation and finance. Put this December date in your calendars. It's a price that investors and Tesla devotees will never forget. Bonanza awaits, and at the core of this enthralling narrative is none other than the visionary Cathie Wood. But what secrets are hidden behind this historic event? Come along with us as we solve the mysteries and examine Cathie Wood's deep insights. Take an exciting voyage into the halls of disruptive innovation with the CEO of ARK, Invest in the extraordinary Elon Musk, who will reveal the forces influencing our future from Tesla's relentless search for innovation to the dynamic landscape of electric vehicles and artificial intelligence. Will legacy giants like General Motors rise to the challenge, or will they be carried away by the winds of change in a world where innovation knows no bounds? What's next for the diverse business model of Tesla? How investing tactics will be revolutionized by AI going forward? The solutions are waiting for you. As we set out on this fascinating journey, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Now that everything is done, let's begin with a recent message. Stay tuned for revelations, insights, and a hint of suspense. In her speech to Tesla's shareholders, Cathie Wood emphasized that the company is about to make history and that this will make the approaching holiday season especially exciting for everyone. The Tesla autonomous project has had more disconnections, mishaps, and other problems than all other international corporations put together. These revelations come against the backdrop of astounding developments in artificial intelligence technology, which are distinguished by their outstanding tempo. It is impossible to overestimate Tesla's active role as a pioneer in autonomous taxi platform. It is the largest AI project in the world. As a result, Tesla's standing in investment portfolios has changed, going from being the top holding to currently holding the third spot. About 20 million shares of Tesla were sold, a move motivated by things like the company's notable 150 increase in comparison to other holdings. Profit-taking tactics have been often used in reaction to these moves. Elon Musk's financial worries are in line with Cathie Wood's outlook, as both visionaries see General Motors and Ford becoming the industry leaders in the electric vehicle market. While they both recognize the dramatic change in the automotive landscape toward electrification, legacy automakers like GM and Ford face enormous obstacles on their way to becoming profitable in this rapidly changing sector. The difficult shift from internal combustion engines to electric vehicle systems necessitates significant supply chain modifications and retooling in order to achieve EV production scalability, especially in light of the increasing needs of the market. Major financial commitments and operational changes long-term investors of legacy automakers are used to the high earnings and rapid returns of classic combustion engines. These investors frequently place a higher priority on dividends and quick profits. These expectations could not align with the company's shift in strategy towards long-term electric vehicle development. With new players entering the market and tech-focused companies like Tesla Rivian and Lucid Motors, the EV market has developed into a fiercely competitive environment. Following strict emissions and environmental regulation is essential for automakers transitioning to electric vehicles. Requires investments in research and development to create compliant vehicles while adhering to shifting governmental mandates. Despite growing consumer interest, EDAS and traditional automakers must disrupt the status quo with these agile newcomers to secure their share of the EV market. Legacy automakers have to deal with shifting consumer expectations and tastes, which are frequently impacted by things like environmental consciousness and the availability of range charging infrastructure. Purchasing a new set of parts, such as batteries, electric motors, and power electronics, is necessary for the switch to EVs. Building a strong supply chain for these new components comes with its own set of difficulties. Success requires changing the brand image from a legacy automaker to an EV leader. Musk and Cathie would envision a future in which GM and other legacy automakers will work together to develop a comprehensive charging infrastructure, which will be essential to the adoption of electric vehicles, EVs. Legacy automakers must also invest in marketing and branding to demonstrate their commitment to it. Ford is a major player in the electric vehicle market. The company faces many challenges in adapting to this dynamic environment, which calls for striking a careful balance between satisfying shareholder expectations, achieving scalability, and accommodating changing consumer preferences while navigating competitive forces in the quickly evolving automotive sector. Now that the emphasis is back on Tesla, its diverse business model extends beyond automotive technology, such as batteries, solar energy, and even space research. These multifaceted technologies create concerns about how Tesla makes money and affects the value of its stock. This conversation explores the nuances of Tesla's business strategy and its effects on the bottom line, the revolutionary power of AI. What motivates a large number of these investments? It's worth noting that Cathie Wood is recognized for her forward-looking investment attitude, and her alliance with AI technology shows the ever-rising importance of AI across various industries. Let's examine these instances. The portfolio's flagship asset, Tesla, is a prime example of how artificial intelligence and the automobile sector interact. As a platform for Bitcoin trading, Tesla's AI-driven autopilot and fully autonomous driving technologies demonstrate the company's dedication to innovation in autonomous driving. One example of how AI is being integrated into the financial industry is Coinbase, which uses AI for trade analytics, fraud detection, and risk assessment. Leading streaming service Roku uses AI to improve user experience and curate content recommendations in order to remain competitive in the quickly changing streaming market. Zoom is especially important in the age of remote communication and business. Uses AI to improve the quality of its video conferencing services with capabilities like virtual background detection and real-time transcription. It is a major player in the AI hardware market. Privacy designed for AI and machine learning operations are produced by NVIDIA, allowing workloads in a variety of applications, including gaming and healthcare, to be accelerated. Artificial intelligence is being incorporated into Twilio, a cloud communications platform to improve client interaction through chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated messaging. Roblox is a user-generated gaming platform that uses artificial intelligence to regulate content and promote games, making its users' experience safer and enjoyable. Popular game engine Unity uses artificial intelligence to produce more realistic and engaging gaming experiences, making it a vital tool for game producers. The startup behind the EOS blockchain platform provides an example of how artificial intelligence can be used in blockchain technology to improve the functionality and efficiency of decentralized apps using AI-driven smart contracts and data analysis. Cathie Wood's deliberate focus on investments linked with artificial intelligence is indicative of the growing ubiquity of AI technologies. Several industries. These holdings are essential parts of her investment strategy because they demonstrate a progressive mindset that recognizes artificial intelligence's capacity to disrupt and develop. This recent correspondence offers insightful information about how Tesla is changing, the difficulties faced by conventional manufacturers in the EV market, and the crucial role that artificial intelligence, a technology, plays in her investment portfolio, which is guided by a prospective viewpoint. She makes the argument that AI could provide difficulties for businesses like Google as users, believing that it would bring about substantial changes that could disintermediate some platforms, which includes both EVS and AI. Probe their change. How will artificial intelligence continue to affect investing strategies and technology-driven businesses? If you found this debate to be interesting and educational, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to Tesla Insights for more updates on the fascinating world of Tesla and cutting-edge technologies. We also invite you to contribute your thoughts and observations in the comments section below. We appreciate you coming along on this research and discovery adventure with us.